Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on one of the new launches from K Beauty, which is their highlighter. So this is the highlighter. They launched this highlighter some time back. So this is their illuminating highlighter, which is enriched with avocado and mango butter. They launched this highlighter some time back, but I got this recently only, and I was trying this highlighter from some time. So based on that, I'll be sharing my review about this highlighter in today's video. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So this one is K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter. This is enriched with avocado and mango butter. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. This is the standard K Beauty packaging. K Beauty के सारे product इस तरह की packaging में आते हैं. So here the name of the product is mentioned, and on the back of it all other details are mentioned. And यहाँ पे K Beauty का monogram बना हुआ है पूरे packaging पे. So on the back side it gives you information about manufacturing details, like all the details about manufacturing and some customer care number and all those things. So one thing is like the price of any product of K Beauty is not mentioned in the outer packaging. I have observed that with the other product as well, that they don't mention the price of the product on the outer packaging. So this product actually retails for, this highlighter retails for 799 rupees, and you get 8.5 gram of product in this. The shelf life of this highlighter is 3 years. So they launched 6 shades in this highlighter, and I got the shade Rosy Dew. The shade name is written here, and the packaging, right, this packaging is actually color coded, so it's kind of a rosy shade. So the packaging, the color of the packaging is also rosy. So K Beauty की जितनी भी packaging है, outer packaging is generally color coded with the product. So let me open and show you how it looks from inside. So by the way, when you open it, it comes in this foam, like it will be protected using this foam packaging inside. So let me take it out. So as you can see, this foam packaging, you get this foam packaging here, तो वो आपके product को काफ़ी safe रखता है. So this is how it looks from inside. The packaging of this product is really beautiful. So you get this rose gold top with this white back, and all the details are mentioned on the back side. So this is a really good thing. You get this sticker here जिस पे सारी details mentioned है, especially the expiry details, which is very important for me at least. So the packaging of this product is very nice, sleek and classy packaging, and it's very light in weight, so it's very travel friendly. And when you open it, it looks like this. So it comes with this full size mirror. So again this also makes it really travel friendly. और जो मिरर है वो काफ़ी अच्छा मिरर है, आप इजीली अपना पूरा फेस इस मिरर में देख सकते हैं. काफ़ी बिग साइज़ का मिरर मिलता है आपको. So this is also a really good thing about this, and it's not a cheap kind of mirror. The quality of mirror is also good. Now this is how it looks. So the texture of this highlighter is very creamy. It's very finely milled, so it gives you a very nice soft and creamy texture. The texture of this highlighter is really beautiful. Let me swatch it for you. So this is how it looks like. You can see it looks so beautiful, especially this shade, this Rosy Dew shade which I bought. I really like this shade, and this is how it looks. So as you can see, it doesn't contain any kind of chunky glitter particles to it. It has a very nice sheen to it, and there are no chunky particles. So it is a very nice buttery formula, and it is not at all powdery. बहुत ही soft and बहुत ही creamy, बहुत अच्छा सा texture है इस highlighter का. Now let's apply this highlighter on the face, so you will be able to see कि face पे ये highlighter कैसा दिखता है. So I've done a full face of makeup, जैसे मैंने highlighter नहीं apply किया है. So let's apply this. So I'm taking the highlighter. See, this is how it looks, and I have applied very less amount. अभी मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा amount apply किया है, and you can see it gives a very nice finish. Now let's apply a little bit here. So this is how the highlighter looks with one layer. So if you're looking for a very natural sheen, you can just apply a little bit of this highlighter like this, and you'll get this natural sheen. But if you want to build up the highlighter to a blinding effect, you can do that as well with this highlighter. So I'm taking little bit more and I'll just apply a little bit. See, you can see this effect. So it gives a very nice blinding effect. And बिल्कुल भी पाउडरी नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी चंकी नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी सॉफ्ट हाईलाइटर. लाइक आई एम सेइंग दैट थिंग अगेन अगेन बिकॉज जो फॉर्मूला है, जो टेक्सचर है इस हाईलाइटर का, वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. एंड इट अप्लाइज रियली ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत अच्छे से अप्लाई भी हो जाता है और ब्लेंड करने में भी बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी, राइट. इट्स वेरी इजी टू अप्लाई एंड ब्लेंड. और जो फिनिश है उसकी इस हाईलाइटर की, वो भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगता है ये. And since it doesn't contain any kind of chunky glitter particles, it won't emphasize any texture you have on the face. Otherwise अगर glitters होते हैं या chunky particles होते हैं highlighter में, तो अगर आपको texture होता है face पे तो उसको थोड़ा सा emphasize कर सकता है. But since this highlighter is very buttery and very soft and doesn't contain any kind of glitter particles, it won't emphasize your texture and it will look so beautiful. You can see, right? You can clearly see. So I'll apply a little bit of my nose. I'm not able to stop myself. I'm continuously applying this highlighter. This looks so beautiful. Guys, trust me, this is not at all a sponsored video. I really love this highlighter. मैंने K Beauty के अभी recently मैंने एक वीडियो किया था जिसमें मैंने K Beauty के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई किए थे. तो उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे हैं, नो डाउट. बट आई थिंक दिस विल बी द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. आई गेस दिस विल बी माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड. So seriously, it's a really beautiful highlighter. And I think I'll buy one more shade from this highlighter maybe. I like the shade Sunlight Gold, so maybe I'll buy that one as well. But so I'm not wearing anything in my inner corners and on my brow bone, so I'll apply the same. See, inner corners में भी कितना beautiful लग रहा है ये. So let me give you a closer look. Now if we talk about the price point, this retails for 799 rupees, which is a little bit costly, I know, but you get a lot of product. Like you are getting this big pan size and you are getting this very good quality mirror, and the formula is good, the texture is good, and this highlighter performs really well. So considering all those things, I guess price of this product is totally justified. This is a really beautiful highlighter, you guys. And if you don't want to spend that much money on a highlighter, you can always look for discounts. Nowadays K Beauty पे काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट आता रहता है नायका पे. I generally see they have 10% or 15% discounts on all their products, so you can always look for discounts. If you want to purchase this, you want to try this but don't want to spend 799, so just look for discounts, look for sales, and that time you can buy this highlighter. But I would highly recommend you to try this highlighter because it's a really beautiful highlighter. Now about the availability, this is available easily on Nykaa, online and offline. I guess offline stores पे भी आपको K Beauty के products easily मिल जाएंगे Nykaa के offline stores पे. So overall this is a really beautiful highlighter. It has a very nice soft creamy texture to it. It's not at all powdery. It doesn't contain any chunky particles, and it gives you a very nice beautiful sheen on your face. So you can have a natural sheen if you want, or you can build it up. You can build it up to a blinding effect like I did. So you can play with this highlighter and you can use it as you like. So this is a really beautiful highlighter. So yeah, that's all I wanted to talk about this highlighter. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.